Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of sacred. Connected with God, or the gods, or dedicated to a religious purpose and so deserving veneration. For example, sacred rites. American pronunciation. Sacred. Sacred. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Sacred. Say. Sacred. Sacred means connected with God or dedicated to religious purpose and so deserving veneration. Sacred. Sacred. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The Hindu marriage is solemnized before the sacred fire. Now, repeat after me. The Hindu marriage is solemnized before the sacred fire. The second practice. If it matters, horses are also sacred to Poseidon. Now, repeat after me. If it matters, horses are also sacred to Poseidon.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.